This is gonna be my mother's recipe. Everything, a little pinch of everything.
Okay, little pinch, yeah, got it.
Onto our blender, we're gonna add some water, season it with salt. We're gonna season the pork as well.
So you're seasoning every layer,
Yeah.
right? You're building flavors there.
So now we're gonna blend it.
So in the blender we had water, black peppercorns, whole cumin seed, and then
Garlic.
a little stalk of fresh cinnamon.
Yeah.
And it all blended.
Yes.
And then now you're julienning some fresh mint.
Fresh mint. That's
Okay.
going to go
And that
through.
goes in with the ground pork and a little bit of salt.
And then we're gonna add this mix in here.
So it's almost like a quick marinade for the meatball, essentially,
Exactly.
right?
We're gonna add some breadcrumbs.
Okay.
This is like the glue
Okay.
for our pork. So we got perfect eggs right here, hard-boiled eggs, and then start building up.
Okay, so you're gonna build the meatball. You're gonna essentially take a little piece of that hard-boiled egg and place it right in the center, just covering the whole entire thing up. Oh, that's great.
All right, so we got tomatoes, we got chicken stock, chipotles, seasoned with salt.
Okay, all that goes into the blender, and you didn't clean the blender. You used all that good flavor still,
all
right?
all
Beautiful.
the mix that you use for the albondigas. So now we're gonna add oil and add onions. You don't want the onions to get any color right now.
Okay. So you're just sweating them, no
Just
caramelization,
sweating. Yeah,
no
no.
color.
You can smell already, you know.
So the rice is just straight out of the package. You don't rinse it or anything.
No, don't rinse that.
And you're just gonna toast it lightly.
And then we're gonna add the meatballs sitting on top of the rice.
Perfect.
And then the sauce. I love the sound.
Yeah. And the smell. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. Okay, now that you covered all the meatballs in there, about how long do you let this cook for?
But between 20 to 25 minutes.
And do you have to stir it, or you just kind of leave it on low?
No, just leave it alone.
Do we have to cover it?
You can cover it, or you can just leave it like that.
Okay.
I prefer just leave it like
Leave
that.
it open. It helps it reduce. The sauce will be a little bit thicker that way too.
Yeah. Like this.
Oh my gosh. I wish people could smell what this smells like. And that sauce really thickened. You could actually see where it started
Yeah.
and where it is now.
Paul, this is gonna be for you.
Oh, thank you.
But
One.
let me do it the right way.
Okay.
The tortilla has to be a little burnt.
A little burnt. So you
Yeah.
toast them on the stovetop.
Yeah.
And the key here is quick. Couple turns, like cook it for 5
turn.
seconds, turn
It
it.
get crispy.
That's it.
And the flavors get very intense. And that's what it makes the difference of a really good tortilla. See the smell of the
Yeah.
tortilla?
And people don't get this mixed up with burnt, right? This is
Yeah.
the way it's supposed to
It's
look. It's
supposed
supposed to be toasted.
Toasted.
Like
So now
that.
you can roll it out like a taco.
Oh,
Just
roll
like
it.
that.
Okay. Roll it. Like this. Oh, you down side. I got it. Oh, so you don't have to stuff it or anything.
Look at that.
Mm.
They don't have
No joke. No joke. This is amazing. This is crazy.
no, right? Hey,
Oh my God,
so
that's
good.
great. Bro, holy cow.
Amazing aroma, chipotle. You like spicy? I mean, they're spicy enough.
And so cost effective. I mean, ground pork, rice,
Yeah.
tomato sauce, handful of spices. It's great.
Absolutely.